A little bit of a Thanksgiving tradition with me anyway is always working on cars on Thanksgiving Day. So I got to do exhaust manifold gasket on my son's Jeep, his LS swap JK. Gonna knock that out real quick. It's my only day off in like 2.5 months, so I got to make the best of it. I didn't grab a 10mm. Oh, I did. Shit. Really? Yeah, looks like it blew out the bottom. You can see all of them leaking out the bottom. So either it didn't tighten up all the way, or who knows. But let's try to get this thing put together. Alright. So I got to drop this down and put that back in. It's kind of a pain. It can be done. Doing a terrible job filming. I just plugged my HP tuners in. You gotta have that green light. If you don't have that green light, it won't work, and you'll be troubleshooting it for a while. That's where it gets its power. I don't know why sometimes cars, they don't give the power to it. You gotta turn them off, turn back on. Anyways, let's get through this. All right, so like with any tune, we need to pull the tune. So we're gonna fire up the editor. We're gonna turn this key forward, and then we're gonna see if we connect. All right, sorry for doing this to you. So we got code 440, 456, 457. We have a few more codes, but let's see if we can shut those off and see if that will do it. So 440, 456, and 457. There is 56. I'm going to save this file as a modified file. So it's going to write to the Jeep now. You'll see that check engine light will be on. Hopefully it will turn off. Oh, it only takes a second to write to the file too. It doesn't take much. Alright, well, let's see what else we got in there. Maybe there's another reason. In diagnostics.
The next day.
Well, how do you come off? Well, I don't know how you come off. Alright. So that thing has to be turned around. Where do they go? Well, crud. Well, we'll see how that works. I don't think it's gonna work very good. We'll see.
Thousands of tears later.
Burr. Oh man, look at that. Super Dirty 60. So this thing, yeah, let's put the keys in so it don't stall. So this thing wouldn't auto start, and it was getting like 13 miles a gallon. And then they had a code for high intake temp, high voltage or whatever. And it was that little thing right there. Like when I touched it, it came off, and I pushed it real hard, it buckled in. Let's jump in here. Ooh, nice and warm. It wouldn't auto start. It's never auto started. I've known about the Jeep for a long time. My buddy owned it for like 5 or 6 years before I bought it, and it wouldn't auto start. And it had a bunch of emissions lights codes. I got rid of all those, and then it had that one intake temperature high voltage thing. So I plugged that in, and that auto started. We got this is gonna come out eventually, but we're gonna use that for Onyx and everything. But eventually it'll come out when I'm just daily driving. That's it.